Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we are going to understand one of the most practical problem-solving approaches used in lean manufacturing and TPM, known as the 5G methodology, also called the Genba-Based Problem Solving approach. Today's manufacturing systems are highly competitive, and small problems like machine breakdowns, defects, or process delays can lead to major losses in productivity, cost, and quality. To solve these issues effectively, organizations use a structured approach called the 5G methodology, which focuses on going to the real place and working with real facts instead of assumptions. What is 5G methodology? The 5G methodology is a systematic problem-solving approach used in lean manufacturing and total productive maintenance, TPM. It helps identify the real root cause of problems by directly observing the workplace, collecting actual data, and applying logical analysis. It is widely used in Kibetsu Kaizen, focused improvement activities to eliminate chronic losses and improve overall equipment effectiveness, OE. The 5G principles. Now, let's understand what the 5Gs stand for. Genba, go to the real place. The first step is to go to the actual workplace where the problem is happening. Instead of guessing, we physically observe the shop floor, machine, or process. Genbutsu, see the real thing. Next, we inspect the actual object involved in the problem. It could be a defective product, a broken machine part, or an abnormal condition. Genjutsu, check the facts. After observation, we collect real data and facts. This helps us understand what is actually happening, not what we assume is happening. Genri, understand the principle. Now we analyze the situation using scientific and engineering principles. We identify the root cause by asking why the problem is occurring logically. Gensaku follows standards. Finally, we implement corrective actions and standardize the improved method. This ensures the problem does not repeat and the process remains stable. Main objectives of 5G methodology: to identify real root causes, not assumptions; to eliminate waste, defects, and inefficiencies; to improve process stability and productivity; to support continuous improvement in TPM and lean systems. Role in TPM and Kibetsu Kaizen. The 5G approach is a key foundation of Kibetsu Kaizen, where focused improvements are made on specific problems. It helps teams perform better root cause analysis, improve machine performance, and increase overall equipment effectiveness, OE. Simple summary. In simple terms, 5G methodology equals go, see, check, analyze, standardize. It ensures that every decision is based on real facts from the workplace, not assumptions or guesswork. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching Academic Gain Tutorials.